Hi, let me introduce myself. My name is Aprilia Rizkoma. National figures behind the independence of Indonesia. The proclamation of Indonesia's independence gave a very important meaning to the Indonesian people. Since the proclamation of independence text was read out, the Indonesian people have an independent, sovereign, and dignified state. This milestone would not have happened if there were no people of this nation who dared to proclaim independence. They are national heroes who should not be forgotten. The following are the national figures who have contributed to the independence of Indonesia. E.R. Soekarno is one of the people who contribute in establishing the Republic of Indonesia as a sovereign state. Bung Karno was born in Blitar, East Java on June 6, 1901 and died in Jakarta on June 21, 1970. Bung Karno drafted the text of the proclamation at the house of Admiral Tadashi Maeda with Bung Hatta. Ahmad Subarjo. He then signed the proclamation text on behalf of Indonesia with Bung Hatta. Bung Karno read out the text of the proclamation of Indonesia's independence at his residence at Pegangsaan, Timur Street nomor 956, Jakarta. Drs. Muhammad Hatta or Bung Hatta was born in Bukit Tinggi, West Sumatra on August 12, 1902. He died in Jakarta on March 14, 1980 at the age of 77. Hatta drafted the text of the proclamation with Bung Karno and Mr. Ahmad Subarjo. He participated in signing the text of the proclamation on behalf of Indonesia with Bung Karno. Muhammad Hatta is Indonesia's first vice president. Ahmad Subarjo Joyo Adi Suryo was born in Karawang, West Java on March 23, 1896 and died on December 15, 1978 at the age of 82 years. He is Indonesia's first Minister of Foreign Affairs. Ahmad Subarjo is one of the figures from the old group who played a role in preparing the proclamation of Indonesian independence. Ahmad Subarjo participated in compiling the concept of the text of the proclamation at the house of Admiral Tadashi Maeda with Bung Karno and Bung Hatta. Admiral Tadashi Maeda was a high-ranking officer in the Imperial Japanese Navy. He helped Indonesia to prepare the text of proclamation of Indonesia independence by inviting those important figures to his house and let them use it for a very important activity. At his house, it was gathered national figures that had great contributions. Even though he is Japanese, he is willing to help Indonesia out of sympathy for the Indonesian people. Sukarni was born in Blitar, East Java on July 14, 1916. He died in Jakarta on May 7, 1971 at the age of 54. His full name is Sukarni Kartodiwirjo. Sukarni was a youth leader and a hero who was persistent against the invaders. Sukarni proposed Bung Karno and Bung Hatta to sign the proclamation text on behalf of Indonesia. Fatmawati, whose real name is Fatimah, was E.R. Soekarno's wife. She was born in Bengkulu in 1923 and died in Jakarta in 1980. She is buried in the Heroes Cemetery in Kalibata, Jakarta. Fatmawati Siwet the Saka Merah Putih flag, which was raised at the proclamation of Indonesian independence at the Pegangsaan Timur Street, number 6, 156, Jakarta. The text of the Proclamation of Independence was typed by Sayuti Malik. Sayuti Malik is a youth leader who was also very important in the proclamation Indonesia's independence. Sayuti Malik typed the script of proclamation to perfect it from Bung Karno's handwriting. The text of the proclamation was originally handwritten by Sukarno, then typed by Sayuti Malik to make it look neat. The original text was then thrown into the trash. One of young men who was present at the preparation of Indonesia's independence was B.M. Diah. B.M. Diah took the original manuscript from the trash can and kept it. He considered that the text had a high history. The original manuscript that were kept by B.M. Diah for 46 years, 9 months, 19 days were later returned to the Indonesian nation. He broke the original text of the Indonesian Independence Proclamation of Tuesday morning, 19 May 1992 at 10:30 em and handed it over to President Suharto. The manuscript was then kept by the National Archive of Suharto's recommendation. B.M. Diah's decision to keep the original manuscript was very precise. Therefore, the entire Indonesians have been able to enjoy the original text of the proclamation and have learned a lot from what happened at the time. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.